Is how to enjoy Gari this afternoon. Sachet of Milo. You can see Milo. Okay. Then groundnuts. You can see groundnuts. Yes. Sugar with Gari. Yes. It's nice in the afternoon when you have very cool weather like this. Then you enjoy it. Do you have some Gari at home? Some groundnuts? Beverages such as Milo, milk, groundnuts, sugar, or honey? You enjoy it. I want you to try it. Yes. Very sweet. Yummy. Very sweet African meal. I love the groundnuts. So you can try it at home. Please subscribe to the channel. Click like, give us a thumbs up in this video, and share the video. Until another time, bye bye.